أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this session, we are going to focus on how to write the theoretical implications using Chat GPT or Google Bard. Now, there are two sections in which we mention something related to theory as to what we are doing in terms of theory or the literature. In the introduction, we mention the theoretical contributions, whereas in the discussion part, we mention the theoretical implications. Theoretical contributions, in simple terms, refers to the proposed contributions for the theory and the literature. What is it that you are doing that hasn't been done before? However, theoretical implications are the consequences of your results. What are the consequences of your results for the theory and the literature? So you have found a significant relationship. Now, what does it do for the theory? How does it contributes to the established theory that you have used? What are the implications, consequences for the theory based on the results that you have got? Now, what we do is we start with how do we write the theoretical implications. So step one, the title of the study. So I have conducted a study with the title. Now this is the title of the study. What is it that you have done which can be considered original and new? Now, in terms of original and new, the following are the new and original relationships that were assessed with the results from the study. Now, what are the results? So, I assessed the impact of knowledge-oriented leadership on team performance in COVID-19, and the relationship was significant. I assessed the impact of knowledge-oriented leadership on team outcomes, and these are the team outcomes. Impact of knowledge-oriented leadership on team efficacy, team cohesion, team commitment, and team collaboration was significant. What about the mediating role? Now describe your results. And once you describe your results, mention the theory that you have used. And finally, can you provide these? That is, draft theoretical implications for the study that includes implications for the literature, and draft theoretical implications for the study that includes implications for the theory. Now, how do we do it? Let's do it. So I'm going to copy this text here, put it in Chat GPT, shift and enter so that it does not send the command. And now following are the results. So let's copy. Here it is. All good. And then step 3, the theory. Copy, paste, and then the magic words, and let's see what we get. So the theoretical implications for the literature: advancing knowledge leadership research. The study contributes to the literature by highlighting the significant impact of knowledge-oriented leadership on team performance in the context of COVID-19 pandemic. This emphasizes the crucial role of leadership, particularly those emphasizing knowledge management in navigating health sector challenges during crisis. Now, for resource-based view, the study aligns with RBV framework by emphasizing the role of knowledge-oriented leadership as a valuable resource in the healthcare sector. Now, again, there are slight problems. Now, how do I know that there are slight problems? Because what it is doing is, it's rather sounds like it is proposing the contributions rather than the implications. So again, let's ask ChatGPT to modify it. Now, let's see what we get now. Again, how did I know that it sounds like more like contributions rather than implications? Because I have read the contributions and implications. I know the difference between the two. Now, again, this brings me back to that same old statements that I've been making in my videos. Please do not use ChatGPT or Bard without understanding the different sections of a research paper or thesis. If you do not understand it, then whatever information that it provides you, it will sound correct to you. So this is very important that you go on and read the research papers. Read enough research papers so that you understand the research, the sections, what goes into those sections. Now, the study's identification of a significant impact of knowledge-oriented leadership on team performance offers practical insights for healthcare leaders. Emphasizing knowledge management in leadership practices can be a tangible strategy. Okay, now this sounds much better, but obviously this is a starting point. So you've got now enough text that you can use to develop the theoretical implications. Now, what you need to do is read some theoretical implications in the papers that you have used for your literature review or for your introduction. Now, again, let's say the study's alignment with the RBV framework underscores the strategic importance of knowledge-oriented leadership as a valuable organizational resource. The application of RBV in understanding the role of knowledge-oriented leadership offers practical insights for organizations. This implies that organizations can use RBV as a framework. Now, again, it is more or less focusing on the context of healthcare or COVID-19. I want it to focus on the theory. Let's say I change further add to make the implications more focused on the theory or on the resource-based view instead of the study context of healthcare or COVID-19. Let's see what we get. Now, you have to train ChatGPT to give you the responses that you want. Keep asking it to modify the answers. Now, once it keeps modifying the answers, you are going to get more information. Now, all this information, and once I read through the research papers, I know how to write my implications because this is the starting point. Further, let's do one more thing here. Here it is. Let's say if we remove the context altogether, let's see what we get. So I'm going to remove the context and just use the other details. Okay, all good. Let's see what we get. Now this is much better. So again, you need to go back, change your prompts, redo it and see what fits. Again, you can ask ChatGPT to further modify and make it sound like more like implications, consequences of your study results. Now again, for that you need to understand what implications are. That's how you create better prompts. I hope this session, the small session, would have helped you understand the use of ChatGPT for generating theoretical implications. Now, let me copy this whole thing here and copy this prompt, right click, copy it and use Bard for it now. So I'm going to use both ChatGPT and Bard. Let's say I paste the prompt. Let's see. Now the mix of ChatGPT and Google Bard can further help you improve your implications section. Read through this. If it does not sound like, even the tense does not sound like the way we write our implications. So ask ChatGPT to sound it like that particular manner. So let's say sound it like consequences of your results, implications of your results, what it has done for the theory, how it contributed to the theory, what are the implications that it brought to the theory. Ask these tools to do that for you. Thank you very much.